On ground, or are you calling on tower?
Yeah, 2384 is cleared in lane 8 for 41.
2384, proceed to ramp.
Proceed in.
Truck 1, stop, truck 1, stop.
This crash happened as the plane was landing, so that was at about 11:40 p.m. last night. Officials say the jet struck a Port Authority fire truck. The fire truck was responding to another incident that was happening on the runway at the time. So 72 passengers and 4 crew members were on board that plane at the time of the crash. 41 people were taken to the hospital. Some have serious injuries. 2 people who were in the fire truck were also hurt. 32 people, by the way, have been released from the hospital. According to Flight Radar 24, the aircraft was going about 210 kilometers per hour when it made contact with the truck. We have audio now from air traffic control at the moment right before the crash.
LaGuardia Tower requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company crossing 4 at Delta.
Stop, Truck 1, stop. Stop, Truck 1, stop.
LaGuardia Tower requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company crossing 4 at Delta.
Stop, Truck 1, stop. Stop, Truck 1, stop.